Hello everyone. So I'm going to share with you today how to make raccoon bait. This will also attract squirrels and other small animals. First thing I want to start off with is it's not always safe to feed wild nature. And the only reason I do it is to attract them to trail cams. I do not bring them to my house or anywhere else, especially around people. You do have to watch out about rabies when it comes to wild animals. Now, if you do want to attract raccoons, the mixture I use is 4 raw eggs, a little bit of cooking oil, a bunch of peanut butter. Sometimes I will use a whole jar. Then you want to mix in their ground corn, bird seed, and I also throw in their striped sunflower seed. Blend this up quite well. It will be thick like cookie dough. And then let it set and let the seeds soak up the moisture. And then you're ready to put it out wherever you want the raccoons to show up. Well, this is how I make my raccoon bait, and so far this attracts them pretty good. If you've got raccoons that are a pest and you're trying to trap them, this would be a great thing to put into your live trap so you can move them elsewhere. But be sure to look up onto the walls. There is some states do not want you moving animals around. And I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please click the like button. And be sure to check out the rest of my other videos that I make. Thank you, and thank you for watching.